Stirling engine I built. Haven't done a twin cylinder one, so I thought I'd go ahead and give her a shot. I made my alcohol burners out of film canisters, military film canisters, old ones, polished them out. And yeah, anyway. Runs pretty good, it's sealed up pretty well. After it warms up, that is. And this is just a damper to take the vibration out of the shaft because I didn't put a mount in the center there. I didn't know it was going to put that much stress on the crankshaft and vibrate that much. But so I just put this on there for gits and shiggles. Calms it down a little bit so it doesn't get out of hand. And either one of these cylinders will run the motor without the other one after it gets hot. And you can fill this up with water to cool the two power cylinders off. I haven't finished my doors yet either, but anyway. Flywheels are made out of ice cream tub lids, and I put wooden spokes in there and then cut the ring off the ice cream lids, and yeah, wood glue for weight, and stainless steel rod for the crankshaft. And of course balloons. These are all aluminum. This is floral wire. Pistons are made out of steel wool just like everybody else's, with the top and or two tops of cans on the top and bottom of them. Holes drilled in them. Anyway, that's about all she's got.
Notice that was not a part of the machine. That was just what's on the table or anything else.
Yeah, it gets out of hand if I don't have that damper on there. Guess I could put a handle over the top of it and have something come down and mount right there, but I don't know. I haven't got that far yet. Anyway, there's my motor.